All right, boys, are you ready to find out if you're going to have a brother or a sister?
Yeah, we're ready.
All right, then, here we go.
A brother! I knew it!
Yeah, me too.
So, what are your thoughts?
You're a cool kid.
Savannah, what do you think?
Well, he's okay. But don't expect me not to hiss.
Scared you?
But he's weird, too.
Pumpkin, what are your thoughts?
I don't care.
Well, look, all I want to know is will you babysit?
No.
Mickey, are you excited to be adopted?
Yeah, I am. I love you, Mommy. But I'm tired too.